We all stand by that.
That's my favorite.
You finally pick one.
We all stand by, fellas, and I promise I'll have an next drink for it.
He's gonna shout at
Who shouted? Nobody shouted.
I'm talking a little low.
Okay, all stand by. Remy is the choice for the last cocktail. And we have a Remy Martin 17.
Premium brandy business.
Yeah, premium thing. So I'll go nice and strong. I'm not going easy on you guys. Yeah. So this Remy was actually created in 1738 and it was awarded one of the best Remys at that point in time because they supplied the government of France, or the governor at that point in time, with Cognac.
When I see the smaller the number, I say the more drunk you are.
Smaller the number.
Yes, it means it's stronger. It's yes.
Yeah. It's how dark it is.
Yeah.
It picks up that from the barrels. It's aged. So the longer, as you say, the darker the spirit will get from the barrels. So I just added, guys, some orange bitters, which we created here on the show.
You do your own orange bitters.
Orange bitters, yeah. And getting some fresh lime slices. And this will actually be the garnish for the cocktail. And the rest of the lime, I'm going to go directly into the mixing glass. This is going to balance the sweetness of the peach. So the process of the peach is very simple. I actually take some fresh peaches, cut it up. I used some sugar, some brown sugar and white sugar, and I put some orange peels in it. And actually, what happens is, as the orange peels boil, it kind of balances the extra sweetness and complements the peach flavor. Yeah. Hey Richard, you know I asked you all this, but I didn't ask you. What do you miss the most, based on how the landscape of the Carnival?
To be honest with you, one of the biggest things for me is I love to go out to hear and feel the music and see the enjoyment of people. When I have to go and I have to look at someone wearing a mask, I feel like you're taking away something from me. I can't see the finished product, the person's joy, the smile, the real enjoyment of Carnival.
Which is the experience,
yeah. I know, but I'm talking about just seeing someone. You know, I ride off of everyone else's happiness. That's why I talk so much of, you know, rubbish. If we don't laugh, we don't cry.
We don't cry.
So I always believe that, you know, I like to bring joy. I like to, and Carnival for me, not being able to see, feel, being close to people having a good time, I think that's what I miss the most. That's what I miss the most. Because we get the music.
I feel it.
You know, we get the music, we get a little touch of taste of what I forget what it's called. But really and truly, the true essence of us enjoying ourselves and the passion that everyone feels hearing and feeling music, seeing entertainers, that's what I absolutely miss.
It's not the same thing because I feel it with our mass. You know, sometimes if you just want to walk down the road and come back, like a car break. So imagine if, you know, you're chicken fat and you're required to wear your mask.
Yeah, not practical.
Not practical.
Yeah.
Not practical.
But we did it because we had no choice.
Yeah.
You know,
Let's hope we see the end of the mask era. I have tried mix so many cocktails over the years. Of course, he's been on my show. And this show, I just wanted to do a quick plug to see how proud I am of Tyrone. Because Tyrone on this platform, Barbadies, that he's doing, really is testament to his journey of creativity where cocktails are up to.
So you transitioned well.
He's transitioned well, I'm proud.
Fantastic, congratulations, sir.
Hey, I owe it up to this guy as well because mixology is very stifled here in Trinidad. And we have so much talent in mixology, in creativity. Just as with the music and just as with anything else, the art forms in
the creative industry. Yeah.
I would love to see Trinidad bartenders, mixologists, be
more
on the same level, which they already are, but most of them don't know because they haven't had the international exposure. But the creativity and the level of creativity is there. but the institutions and the platform, Joe, you actually helped create that. You know? And
That's the boy,
I really love and appreciate that. So, once again, I offer you another drink,
Oh,
brother.
Jesus.
Cheers.
And when am I coming back? When are you inviting me back on the show?
Another we have the next show.
I can't
Even
remember.
if you're not on the show, you'll be around.
Cheers. Cheers. So this one is
Compliments of Remy Martin.
Remy Martin.
Yeah, it's amazing. And you know what? The name of this is We Out and Bad.
Oh,
We Out and Bad.
so it just perfectly matches.
Yes, perfectly matches.
But after I drink this,
You'll be out on that.
I'll hold that back.
Fantastic.
I want to thank you guys for being on the show today. It has been a long journey to Carnival and through this Carnival, and I've enjoyed a lot of drinks, and I enjoy creating drinks and hosting you guys, and maybe next year we'll be doing something bigger and better.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.